Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. Recently I had a little bit of a craving for a grilled cheese sandwich, so I looked up some recipes online and found what looked to be a little bit of a gourmet grilled cheese sandwich that called for apple butter. So I actually took Alico up to Apple Hill, which is like on the way to South Lake Tahoe if you're not from the Sacramento area. We had a fun adventure and we got some apple butter from Boa Vista Orchards. So I'm gonna use that today and make a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna walk you guys through it so you can make this grilled cheese sandwich as well. I know you can get apple butter at Whole Foods as well. I'm not sure about Sprouts. I looked at Rayleigh's and it wasn't at mine, so I don't know if it's at yours. Or if you're in Sacramento, you can head up to Apple Hill and get some apple butter from Boa Vista or probably any of the other farms there. So let's go ahead and get started. I actually already have the turkey breast cooking. It's gonna be I guess I should start there. It's gonna be a turkey, apple butter, and arugula grilled cheese. So super gourmet, sounds super good to me. I'm very excited. It is August 1st, so I think we're getting close enough to fall to start using apple butter. So I'm excited about that too. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 pieces of bread, some reduced fat cheddar cheese, reduced fat because I'm not dieting right now, and maybe you're not either. Maybe you're not really concerned about dieting ever, but if we can keep macros a little bit lower, calories a little bit lower, especially on foods that are a little bit more gourmet or a little bit fancier, I think that's just gonna work out better long term for the rest of your day, so that you maybe don't even have to track anything, but you're not going over calories or like eating a bunch of calories in one meal without really realizing it. So for the most part, if I can find low fat or even low carb sometimes options for the foods that I'm making, I'll choose those just to be able to have something a little bit more delicious without it taking up all my calories for the day or without having to count calories. So I'm gonna use a reduced fat cheddar cheese, some arugula, and some turkey breast. I am cooking the turkey breast right now. The rest of it is all like just on one pan, so I'm pretty excited about that as well. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of apple butter on 2 pieces of bread. So each piece of bread will have half a tablespoon of apple butter. Then on one of the pieces of bread, I'm going to put the cheese. I have 2 pieces of the reduced fat cheddar cheese, so that's about 1 1/4 ounces. I'm gonna top that with the turkey and then put on top of that the arugula, and then put the other piece of bread that just has apple butter on top of that. And then we're gonna place it on a pan that I currently have heating up on like medium-low heat. And then we're just gonna go from there. So we will see how that goes and I will keep you posted. Okay, here's our final product. Macros for the bread I used, cheese I used, amount of turkey I used are gonna be 36 protein, 34 carbs, and 11 grams fat. So for myself, that's more protein than I normally eat in one meal. Not really more or less, like pretty average amount of carbs that I would eat at a meal, and really good on fat, especially for a grilled cheese. So this is exactly why I opt for the reduced fat version, whether I'm dieting or not. I like to eat food, so if I can eat a grilled cheese and still have fat left over for the day to eat more fat or more food, I feel like that's a win. I cooked it for more like 3 minutes per side, and when I flipped it the second time, I put a foil over it to help it, I guess, like, I honestly don't know, but I know that that works. So, yeah, I guess we should give this a taste test now. Okay, official, look at that. Taste test. Yes. Like, that's what I'm talking about. I am not trying to not eat carbs, not eat fat. Like, I'm trying to enjoy all the foods. So here, ooh, it's a little burnt on that side, but here we go. I have such bad eyes, I can't even tell if it's focusing. Anyway, like, does this work or is this just annoying? It works, and that's annoying. So good. So hearty on the inside. I might have cooked the turkey a little bit long. The apple butter adds a lot. That is like a really nice surprise. I've never had apple butter in a grilled cheese before. That is so good. I like that there's turkey because it's like a little bit more hearty. I really like that. So yeah, I would definitely give that a try. 2 pieces of bread, 2 slices reduced fat cheese. I used 3 ounces of turkey breast. I cooked the turkey breast ahead of time. A tablespoon of apple butter. Like, obviously that didn't really go a long way, like on the bread as you saw, but in terms of taste, that's a lot. It's only 34 grams of carbs as is, so you could definitely add more apple butter for a little bit more taste. I think any more than like 2 tablespoons would probably be a lot. It might be like really overwhelming, but I would definitely give that a try if you're looking to eat foods that you really enjoy, not just foods that are like typical dieting food. That's something that I'm really passionate about, so subscribe to the channel if you're looking for more everyday type foods that you can eat and still be healthy, still lose weight, still reach whatever your goals are. I am all about that. Give this video a like if you love grilled cheeses, and comment below any other kind of recipes that you'd like me to try, or send me a link to your favorite grilled cheese recipe and I would love to give that a try. All right, I'll see you guys next time.